Hey y'all, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Maia Smith, and if you didn't know, I am an ambassador for BodyWorks. BodyWorks sent me a box with some bomb products, so I just wanted to show you guys what I could do. As you can see, my hair looks a hot mess, so I'm gonna jump right into this tutorial. So the first product that I used out of my box was the Peppermint Tea Tree Shampoo. It's an invigorating, clarifying cleansing shampoo that increases scalp circulations for refreshed, renewed feeling. It removes all traces of dirt and oil buildup, formulated to alleviate dry, itchy scalp with use of pure peppermint botanicals. So here is the shampoo. As you can see, it wasn't super thick, but it's a lot thicker than the other shampoos that I've used from their line. You see I dropped a little bit. And as soon as I put this on my wet hair, I got a super nice lather. I just wanted to point out that this is a clarifying shampoo, so that lather was definitely expected. Usually when you have a high lather, it usually is a clarifying shampoo. So this is super good for getting debris and buildup out of your hair. You just want a fresh, clean start. That peppermint and tea tree in the shampoo had my scalp feeling super, super good. So make sure you try this out if your scalp is itchy too. So after that, I tried the Peppermint Tea Tree Conditioner. It's a super moisturizing natural conditioner that increases scalp circulation for a refreshed, renewed feeling. Leaves hair soft and full of body, and it's fortified with proteins to decrease split ends. So as you can see here, I've already started to apply this. I just wanted to show that the other side of my hair was like super matted because I washed my hair in the sink. And when I wash my hair in the sink, that's usually what happens, which is why I wash my hair in the shower. I don't know why I decided to do that today, but that was fine because I wanted to put this conditioner to the test. So I took a little bit of the conditioner out and rubbed it from ends to root, and it sunk right in. And you can see I didn't even really use a lot. Like I just did a little squirt and I was able to comb out this whole section with that. It was super penetrating. It kind of feels whippy, like I don't know, like kind of like a whipped feeling to me. But that was fine to me because it got the job done. I can go through a whole bottle of conditioner trying to detangle my hair. This went right in, and the directions say to leave this on for 3 minutes, then to rinse out, which made me kind of think, they kind of want to use this as like a deep conditioner. As y'all know, I am team deep conditioner. However, I left this on for a couple hours to see how my hair would feel if I did want to use this as a deep conditioner. And when I rinsed this out, my hair was absolutely bomb. I'm like, okay, I can see why they say to leave this on because it kind of felt like a deep conditioner in a bottle. My hair felt nice and full, like the claim said, and my ends felt nice as well. This does have a tad bit of protein in it, so just keep that in mind. So after conditioning, I went in with the Coconut Shea Leave-In Conditioner. I know for a fact y'all have seen me talk about this product. I absolutely love it. It's a daily conditioning treatment formulated with one of nature's best moisturizers, coconut oil, to penetrate and revitalize tresses. Blended with shea butter to seal in moisture. The sulfate-free formula is safe for color-treated, chemically treated, curly, or straight hair. This leave-in conditioner is absolutely bomb. It has a real nice texture to it. It's not super light and it's also not heavy. This leave-in conditioner is beyond moisturized, and I absolutely love this leave-in conditioner. I posted it on my Instagram stories not too long ago, and I had a couple people inbox me saying that they tried it out and they absolutely loved it. My hair stays moisturized for days when I use this leave-in conditioner. So I just put a little bit in my hands and applied it from roots to end like I always do. And I just did this in the 4 sections. I don't apply anything heavy to my hair because I have fine strands, and with that, my hair can get weighed down with like just a little bit too much of a product. So I did this on all 4 sections. Then I went in with the Coconut Shea Curl Defining Cream. This product is used to define your curls to your liking. This product was super moisturizing, had a nice consistency, and it had nice slip. My hair was pretty much almost dry. So I couldn't do the raking method. I honestly should have added some water, but I was like, okay, this is a perfect time for me to shingle. I haven't shingled in a really long time, and shingling definitely brings out definition. So I took this section in the back and shingled every curl one by one and scrunched it a little bit to have that curl pop. And I just went on and did this throughout the rest of my head. So to finish off my hair, I actually ended up putting it in my face because I noticed that I get more volume that way when I push my hair back or to the side. And I went to sleep to let my hair air dry overnight, very uncomfortably, of course, but you know the risk we take. And I woke up with super shiny, voluminous curls. I was like, oh, I haven't even fluffed yet. I was super shook. So before I do any fluffing on any hairstyle, I always go in with the oil just to smooth whatever frizz I might have or to give me some extra shine. And I went in with the Peppermint Tea Tree hair oil. This formula strengthens your hair to prevent breakage, leaving your hair silky and full of shine. And it also encourages growth if you wanted to put this on your scalp. And it's also very good for hot oil treatment. So I just rub the oil on my hair from roots to ends like I always do. I mostly do this when I have a cast. I didn't have a cast with this one, but I just feel like this is part of my wash and go. So I would have felt incomplete if I didn't do it. So after that, I just went in and fluffed to give myself some volume. And I did that without losing any curl definition, which is unusual for me. This cream had a super good hold on my hair. I wanted to stretch my hair out a little bit because as you can see, the front of my hair is a little bit shorter because the way my hair is cut. So I just did the banding method on my hair so I could go to sleep the next day. And then the next day I just took it out. So as you can see, the banding method definitely gave me some length. I'm like, yes, finally something. I can't wait till my hair grow out. Oh my God. So I just went in and fluffed that up because I'm like, okay, yeah, I got some length now. Now I can have a little bit more volume because I got some length. So after that, yeah, I just shaped my hair how I really wanted. As you can see, I was shook. Like, yes. So I just finished shaping my hair how I wanted it. And I, of course, had to do my edges. So the Coconut Shea Control Edge Glaze provides a firm, manageable hold along the hairline or hair shaft to preserve desired hairstyles. This lightweight formula will not create buildup. So I just took a little bit of this. As you see, it was kind of on the thicker side, which I like. Don't nobody want no watery edge control. And I just went and laid my edges down. I don't know how to do all that fancy stuff. So yeah, I just pushed it back and put a bobby pin on it. Please don't judge me. But this is my finished look. I was so happy and I got so many compliments on my hair. This cream definitely showed up and showed out in my hair. My hair ain't shrunk up to my ears. I got some good length and I look polished. I look clean. I look like some brown sugar. I was shook. I absolutely love my hair. Let me know what you guys think down below. Make sure you go to edenbodyworks.com and use my discount code so you can get some money off. I will link everything down below in the description box. Please let me know what you think, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.